Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And a very good morning to all of you. Honorable President of today's program, respected judges, teachers, and dear all. My name is Aslim Chaudhary. I read in 5th standard. Now, I would like to speak some words on a very important topic, the Prophet Muhammad and his religious struggle. Dear audience, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in Makkah as an orphan. He was raised in Makkah, he was driven out of Makkah, he was punished, had to flee, he was persecuted. His followers were killed, but Allah allowed him to come back 23 years later as a victor, as a conqueror. And when he came back, he gave everyone amnesty. He realized his vision, and after that, the Prophet spread his message and spread Islam throughout the peninsula of Arabia, so that Islam became established as a state, as a government. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, لَقَدْ مَنَّ اللَّهُ عَلَى الْمُؤْمِنِينَ إِذْ بَعَثَ فِيهِمْ رَسُولًا مِنْ أَنفُسِهِمْ يَتْلُو عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتِهِ وَيُزَكِّيهِمْ وَيُعَلِّمُهُمُ الْكِتَابَ وَالْحِكْمَةَ وَإِنْ كَانُوا مِنْ قَبْلُ لَفِي ضَلَالٍ مُبِينٍ. Dear friends, the Prophet never in his life raised his hand to hit any human beings ever, not a servant, not a wife, not a child, not a friend, not an enemy, except when the enemy was opposing Allah and opposing the message, and the companions of the Prophet used to look for him on the battlefield. They said, Wallahi, we found him in the middle of enemies fighting. They said, we used to see the protection of his person. We hide behind the Prophet on the battlefield. He was such a warrior and statesman on the battlefield, commanding and fighting for the way of Allah. But when he was on the battlefield, his eyes were downcast. He was speaking softly. Thank you for your cooperation. Have a wonderful day.